guys, next video, reminder video, I say you how I got dark. You thinking? Yes, I am offline and I am chilling in the server. And one guy dropped the dart, and I think I don't need the ghost proof, so I reset that, and I have a rocket that is laying on here. No one taking this, so I take this. I am also and I am 2 level more. I also change my stats. Zero mastery farming. So let's begin. And to begin and kill the gorilla. Wait first. I redeem a code. I redeem in my remember videos. And you're thinking how I redeem it. There. Skip this, okay? Let's begin with the video. Guys, listen, if you are seeing this video, no one seeing my video. I have literally my subscribers are also 5 only. So please subscribe me. I always create this. I always create videos like this in YouTube. Guys, I have 2 accounts that are maxed. I have another account like 1700 level almost. Skip my things that I said. Let's go to my quest.
हाम्रो पनि जम्मा 22 किलो भयो हैन काट्नेले लगे 1 किलो हाम्रो त सारै आवश्यक भइरहेछ यो दिवालीको बोपछि ल्याइहाल्नु पर्छ पुरा बरु दमक जानु नि हौ बुधबार होला भर्छ के अरे भोलि पर्सि फेरि सानो हुन्छ अब आइसक्यो गर्ने यही जेठमा छ हेर्नु नि बढी जातो त अधिकारीका घरको कस्तो जेठ होइन भाइ पैसा अहिले असार हैन अलि अलि पुत्ले पानी हैन अरे साउन वो 8 महिनामा बो कत्रो हुन्छ दिवालीको सेतो र कालो हाम्रो यो जत्रै हुने रहेछ 8 महिनामा लेखेर राखिन्छ कहाँ छ साउन भदौ असोज कार्तिक मङ्सिर ए साउन हो वैशाखमा आउँछ भने 10 महिना छ मैले त्यही सोचेर उता ठुलो ल्याएको नि त मुडोलो भइगयो के गर्नु नभए त बाख्रै पनि कम्ती हुन्थे अब एउटा बोको थपेपछि 4 वटा हुन्छ त कानले चाहिँ असर गर्दैन थियो कान त छैन लुता काने कानले हेरेको छुइने क्या मैले लुता काने आए
Guys, did you see my other videos? If you don't see them, why? We died. Guys, see this guy. Okay. Yeah. Sorry, but this guy. Hey. But the lantern is here. And other guys here. Wait. I wanna kill him. They're there. Yes, he's there. That guy run away. His name is AFK and he's like AFK England. Where's that guy? 7 महिना होइन पाखी नै कति 3 महिनाको भयो अस्ति लाँदाखेरि 3 महिनामा उयो हुन्छ अनि अब बोको खोजिहाल्यो बसमा त झन् 3 चोटि पो ल्याउने रहेछ यो बाख्रो होइन साइज भएको त्यसो भने हुने रहेछ क्या पक्कै राम्रो भएन अन्त अब बेच्नु पर्छ माउन ल्याउने एकैचोटि खसी अस्ति फागुनमा त बिहाको फागुन चैत वैशाख जेठमा लगेर खाएको अहिले भक्कै दिन म पनि गएको थिएँ असार कति गर्दै थियो जेठमा लगेर खाएको 3 महिनामा 3 महिनाको पाखो लगेर खाएँ 3 महिनाको पाखोलाई 4 महिना बोको खोजेर लागिसक्यो तार बटारिए छ Set man. What a grind, just grind out. Wait. I'm gonna kill this one pirate, okay? And get you grind. I do nothing with you. Yeah, we can kill the Bobbies. I kill the chef and I end this video. I'm so tired. I have a hack. Man, this guy. Buah, awalnya kos ini itu dah. Ibaratnya cita-cita. finish this guy off fast.
Hello? Hold. Artist.
Stun me.
आउनु सक्यो भने जानु छ अरे यो गेडी आज दिनेभरि यसलाई के
Man, this
छुटायो अरे
ref is so terrible.
ल सानोहरुको घरमा आएपछि दिन्छु तँलाई ल्याइदिनु एकछिन डरे
He's coming. He's long.
भरे ल्याइदिन्छ हेर मम्मी ल भने ल्याइदिनु तर मैले त्यतिकै जिस्केर भनेको
Go away.
आज जिस्केर पैसा
This is my house. Alone. Yeah. He's like no health left. I will kill him. Thanks. This guy one level more. Guys, I know, but I am leaving. I am off my recording here. Okay. Seeing you in the next video. Bye.